I just want to take a quick minute to say something here. These are Duralast. These are actually very name brand, top brand. They're actually one of the top brands. And rather good company. What I found off the bat, their hardware does not fit as it's supposed to. These are too wide. They don't fit into the grooves. Even trying to pry them in with a screwdriver, it's not happening. So there's the first flaw. Second flaw is not a single one of these brake pads has a warning tab on it. So when these brakes get low, when the pad wears down, usually there's a warning tab and you'll get a squeak before the pad wears down to the point of a grind. There is not a single warning tab on any one of these, and the ones that are on the old pads are not transferable. So just for a second here, I just want to throw out a complaint about how lazy the companies have been getting lately. I've come across this with many different parts, and I don't know, I just kind of wish that they would take a look at what they're doing. Don't feel bad if you run into this situation. Don't get frustrated. It's okay. We're gonna reuse the old hardware. Scrape up the bottoms so that there's no dirt or anything on them. A little bit of parts cleaner, whatever you need to do, and then do a little thin layer of grease on the tabs on the pads, and you'll be good to go. This is a very, 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 very common error. So I just wanted to take a minute to say that. I don't talk in any of my videos, but this one's kind of getting on my nerves.